वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा।
Still talking to your friends?
It's complicated.
We haven't even picked our guys yet.
Oh, I hate this part. All right.
Welcome to Jumanji. This next venture is even more challenging. And remember, the future of Jumanji is in your hands.
I have one important question. Who is Jumanji?
Is that Barbara's boy?
We're gonna die.
We did die.
Are we in hell?
I knew it.
Oh my God.
Hello everyone, I am Arjun Suresh. Today we will discuss about Jumanji to the next level. As we all know that this is the third part of the earlier Jumanji series. Jumanji The Next Level is a 2019 American fantasy, adventure and comedy film which was directed by Jake Kasdan and co-written by Kasdan, Jeff Pinker and Scott Rosenberg. The film's plot takes place after 2 years from Welcome to the Jungle. Here, the same group of teenagers along with an old friend and 2 unwitting additions get trapped in Jumanji. Thereafter, they all find themselves facing new problems and challenges with both old and new avatars while having to save the land from a new villain in order to escape. The movie, the role of the game characters are Dwayne Johnson as Dr. Smolder. His strength, he's strong and tough and his speed is out of the box. His skilled with weapons, especially boomerang. Karen Gallian as Ruby Roundhouse. Her strength, she is a karate fighter and dance fighter. Her weakness, venom is fatal to her. Jack Black as Professor Shelley Obron. His strength, he is a good cartographer and archaeologist. His weakness, very low stamina. Nick Jonas as Seaplane McDonough. His strength, he is a good pilot. His weakness, mostly toes. Kevin Hart as Franklin Finbar. His strength, zoologist and weapon valet. His weakness, cake and speed. Jumanji The Next Level was released in the United States on December 13, 2019 by Sony Pictures, releasing it under Columbia Picture label. The film received positive reviews from critics with praise for its cast, humor and visual effects, while also received some criticism. It grossed over $800 million worldwide against a $125 to $132 million budget, becoming the 10th highest grossing film of 2019. Now, Mr. Raghav will tell us the reviews of the movie.
Hello everyone, I am Raghav. Let's talk about the review of the movie.
The archetypal adventure heroes were so happy to get home that they smashed the game. But the movie made a lot of money, and so the game is operational again. And this time, the now college-age kids are joined by a couple of old-school characters. The video game avatar, Dr. Smolder Bravestone, he goes back inside the game, where the life and death challenges somehow seems more familiar and easier to handle in real life. When he does not return, Martha, Bethany and Fridge, there is a bit of switch though. The game is once again up to mischief, and this time, while Martha is again dance fighting expert Ruby's Roundhouse, it is Eddie who shows up as Dr. Bravestone. Milo is the weapon knapsack carrying Mouse Finbar, while Fridge is the former Bethany avatar. Pudgy map expert Dr. Shelley Oberon, no one knows where Bethany is. Johnson was terrific as Spencer in the first film, a humorously exaggerated version of an adolescent discovering the power of adulthood. But as the outer version of Spencer, Cranky's grandfather, he he is clearly having more fun. He barely notices the surreal concept of being trapped inside a video game. He does not appear to be entirely sure what a video game is, and is much too busy swelling hips that for the first time in years have a full range of motion. Johnson, or Bravestone, as Spencer, was something to aspire to, in a future that still seemed filled with infinite potential. But Johnson as Eddie is filled with the bucket list delight of someone who sees nothing but loss ahead.
So this was the full review of the movie.